Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to record a WhatsApp video call with audio on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, you can choose to record your video call easily if you'd like. I'll walk you through the complete process. Start by opening the WhatsApp app and tapping on the Calls tab. From there, tap the plus icon and start a new video call with any of your contacts. Once the call has started, you'll need to access your device's built-in screen recording feature. On iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Look for the screen recording icon. It appears as a solid circle with a ring around it. Instead of just tapping it, tap and hold the icon to open additional options. A new menu will appear labeled Screen Recording, asking where you'd like to save the recording. By default, it will be saved to your Photos on iPhone or Gallery on Android. At the bottom of this menu, you'll see a microphone icon. Be sure to tap on it to turn the microphone on. This step is crucial to ensure the call's audio is also recorded. Once that's set, swipe down again and tap the screen recording button to begin recording. Your device will now record both the video and the audio of your WhatsApp call. However, keep in mind that recording calls, especially without consent, can be legally sensitive. Depending on your country or state, you may be required to inform the other person before recording a call. Make sure to check your local laws to avoid any legal issues. And that's it. So that's basically how you can record a WhatsApp video call with audio on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.